Welcome, trolls. First sees all.
Well, the ideal is to get in troll close, and that's why I'm showing the cup. How's everyone doing? Bonjour et bienvenue, merci d'être ici tout le monde. On va voir une magnifique surface de la Lune, mais en même temps, on va voir des ovnis puis des lumières mystérieuses sur la surface. Il n'y aura pas de flèches, alors soyez vigilants. Well, there's definitely a rush to get up to the moon before 2024, and hey, it's exciting, right? It's all exciting. A lot of people are asking me, where do you think they would put a base if ever NASA was to make a base? Well, I'd love to have it on Earth's side to make, all the astronomers get a beautiful chance of seeing these guys walking around the surface. We wouldn't because it's so far away, but we could still see signs of maybe some construction and stuff, which would be something pretty beautiful, I think. That's definitely something. But they probably are going to go to the far side, I guess. I have no idea. That's just a lucky guess on my part. Either way, thanks for watching, everyone. voyons les lumières sur la surface allumer et s'éteindre. Il y a définitivement un système de lumière sur la Lune. The surface has many lights, many areas that go on and go off. It seems that there is some type of light system on the surface of the moon, that's for sure. What if I was to take a guess, like, to try to look at something, because obviously I'm not vetted. I don't have the proof. But I'm still sharing what I'm finding with this beautiful telescope. And we're having fun, guys. We have an amazing community here. Um, the ideal of having a YouTube channel for some, I guess, could be having, a lot of subs. Some it's having a lot of comments. Well, I have no complaints on that because your comments are amazing, guys. Merci beaucoup pour les commentaires. C'est sensationnel. It's incredible. So at night, right? I believe the surface of the moon would be dark. If we were into that light and atmosphere, we would just plunge into darkness and we would see these lights on the surface lighting up and some lighting out. So we see some areas where the lights are definitely flashing, and some of the areas are wide enough. And obviously, in the particles, the molecules in the atmosphere, high or not, on the surface of the moon, we are seeing a dancing inside of that, the smokes and hazes. It's just something beautiful. I don't have anything with this footage. It's just straight up footage. It's not tampered with. It's not manipulated. And there's definitely no colors added. It's the straight up surface of the moon, and we're just looking at a beautiful, mysterious area.